Alrighty guys, I'm getting ready to do this. Y'all remember the dual climate setup that had the ticking noise when you turn the mode door? Remember guys, these two operate mode door. Mode is cold, hot. Not mode, temp. Wait a minute, that's three modes of operation guys. Recircuit outside, mode door, like if you want it in your face or defrost, and blend door. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Blend door actuator. All right, this is passenger side, this is driver side. I have passenger side on 78 high. This is the passenger side blend door actuator. Now what I'm gonna do, some guy, one of my subscribers wanted to see how this is done. I'm gonna adjust this to full cold, and we're gonna watch this actuator move and hear the noise it's producing. All right, so let's go all the way to cold. Now let's watch. You see the actuator moving? There go the noise. All right, you can feel right there and feel it. So what we're gonna do to rectify that is simply replace this. Now the only thing you limit it to, if you take that off, and you don't notice until you take it off, if the mid case is busted, that's a whole different story guys. You will not know that until you remove this. Okay, so always keep that in mind. But don't let, if you hear a customer say a car ticking and it's in the inside, it's likely a HVAC actuator. All right, let's get this thing replaced guys. Well, I think that's a 8mm, I'm not sure, but let's find out. Alright guys, here's the old one. Like I say, you can't really look at it and tell if it's bad, but I felt the noise coming from here. Alright, so now it's gonna be a little tricky installing this. All you're doing is fighting with the gear position. Alright, so just turn the new one back and forth a little bit until it's in the right slot. Alright guys, we got the new one installed. Now let's do this. Let's go back to full hot, see if it operates. Alright, you can see it's moving. I'm on full hot now. The problem we had when we go to full cold, it would make the noise. So let's turn to full cold and we watch. Here it goes. No noise. Alright guys, it's quiet. It's not making a ticking noise anymore. Alright, so it's pretty much that simple guys. I don't know, like I say, one day I get some free time, I'm gonna bust this thing open. It looks fairly easy to get inside here, and I'm gonna see those teeth. You're probably gonna find the teeth grinding in it. All right, but what's unique or what's fascinating about it, remember guys, the fault code that it's set, blend door travel range too high or something like that. So there's only 2 pins in here, so I'm not sure how that sophisticated HVAC module is monitoring whether it traveled too far or too less. I don't know. I'll have to read up on that. But technology guys, back in the day, these used to be vacuum control. Okay, yes, a vacuum, little tiny vacuum hose that used to travel all throughout the HVAC system, and the main vacuum source would come from the engine. All right, so just a lot of vacuum lines. Those days are long gone. Everything's electronically controlled. This is an electronic blend door actuator, which pulls double duty guys. I'm sure it's the same. Where's the recirc? It's pretty much the same as the recirc and the other actuators. All the actuators are built, they look just alike. All right, so that's all I have guys. Remember, all you gotta do is take the glove box off. You should gain access to it from there. That's all I have guys. Thanks for watching. Whoa, what is my buddy doing over here? Looks like he building a diff guys. Uh-oh, I don't see the scooter block over here. All right, did we have a whining noise? Did we have grating noise? Is this a pinion bearing? I don't see any grate on there. Hey, what y'all think? All right, I don't want to touch. He getting ready to bang this bearing on. I'm not sure if he should bang it on or press it on, but you know, to each his own. But my dude is the king Diff Doctor, he called himself. So he pride himself in his knowledge of the differential setup. It don't matter what kind of differential it is. Look, he know where that's at. Right? He know where everything. He left everything in one spot, and he know exactly where everything is. All right, look at this nice, pretty U.S. General. Did this guy put a snap? Y'all see this? Fake it till you make it, guys. I think U.S. General is pretty much Harbor Freight, ain't it? I'm gonna expose this fraud. He's a fraud. Oh my goodness, wait till tomorrow. I want the world to see that. All right, this is not a snap-on box, guys. Don't let him fool you. But it's a good thing he cool, so I'm not gonna tell the world. He just, what if the snap-on man come here and see that? Yeah, it's U.S. General. What if the snap-on man come here and see this? Okay, I'm not gonna expose my buddy. He helped me out sometime. All right, man, so I'm gonna give me a Harbor Freight's roll cart and put me a bunch of snap-on stickers on it. Oh, Wrangler, gosh, this is a Pentastar, but ooh, inside of a Wrangler, Pentastar inside of a Wrangler, it's just a lot of stuff, man, a lot of hassle. All right, I'm gonna keep on moving. I don't even want to discuss that. He almost done, guys. Said he waiting on the transmission. Y'all see everything together. I think I spoke about this earlier. Oh, he got the intake on now. Look at that beauty. Let's take a peek, guys. Yes. Got the harness. All you gotta do is plug all that up. Where's my cover? I know it's supposed to be a cover right here. Wait a minute. Okay, buddy. My Russian buddy. Where is the dead timing chain cover? He ready to drop. Did y'all hear? I think he said he bringing the transmission in tomorrow, so he gonna bolt it up and then set the whole thing in as one. Yes, timing marks, everything on point. All right, y'all know I don't like for nobody to know. I've been looking at this stuff. All right, so we're gonna cover that back up. That's all I have, guys. You guys are awesome, man. Hey, that's what's up. I'm done for the day. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.